Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. So this drawing is probably from about 4 or 5 months ago, and the reason it's taken me so long to get around to uploading this video is a lot's been happening in my life the past couple of months. So I have moved house recently, 3 months ago, and it honestly takes just so long to move in. You think it's just, pack your stuff, bring it to your new house and unpack it and it's all done. It's not. There's just so much to do. So it's taken me quite a while to kind of catch up on all the backlog of recordings that I've done. I just felt like it would be really unfair on myself to not share this after I spent so much time setting up the recording for it. And I don't know about anybody else, but whenever I record with the intention of uploading to anywhere really, I get so nervous and I feel like I can't draw properly, like I'm just not at ease. And I guess it's kind of like a nervous thing, because even though I'm not immediately sharing it in real time, it's still kind of like a stage fright where okay, people are going to see this. So yeah, the fact that I got through it and I finished the drawing and I recorded all of it, of course I'm going to share it, because what was all of that worry for then? I don't know. Does anyone else feel this way when they're recording themselves? It doesn't matter how many times I do it. I feel this way every single time. And I don't mean I'm stressed in a bad way. It's kind of like that kind of adrenaline when okay, if I mess it up, I'm either going to lose all of this content because I can't share it, or I am going to share it and people are going to see me making so many mistakes, and that's kind of nerve-wracking. But yeah, I really want to push myself a lot more this year, and I feel like I keep saying that to myself every year, that I'm going to do more and I'm going to do more and more and more, but I feel like sometimes I'm putting too much on myself in terms of expectation levels, especially when I'm really busy. Like I said, I've moved house and I'm still expecting myself to, put out so much content and draw all the time, every single day. It's just really unrealistic. So I do want to make sure though that I do push myself this year and not fall into the rut of, using excuses because I'm busy. So yeah, I do have goals, and I'd already talked about those goals in the previous video, and so far, I'm managing those expectations pretty well. So fingers crossed. There's one more thing that I really want to do this year that's fairly big, and hopefully I'll be announcing that soon. Anyway, enough rambling for now. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments and I'll get back to you. And I'll see you in the next one.